Hello, Extrand students and families. Today's video tutorial will walk you through how to connect your child's iPad to the internet at your home. The first step that you're going to want to do is identify your settings icon. Once you identify where your settings icon is, you're going to want to press that to be able to gain access to the settings. Within the settings, you're going to identify where the Wi-Fi is at. You're going to want to click that. And in this page, you will be given the different options that are your networks or other networks available. I am currently hooked up and connected to our home Wi-Fi. You will have to identify which one is your home Wi-Fi. For our purpose here, I am going to go ahead and just pick a different network to be able to show you what this would look like. Once you get this screen to pop up, what you are going to want to do is locate your Wi-Fi password and enter it in here. Once you enter it in here, you will push the join button. As you can see, that is not activated as I have not put in a password. But once you put your password in at home, you will be able to get onto the Wi-Fi at your house or your home, and you will be able to then gain access to the different learning content that our teachers at Extrand will be sharing with your child. If you have any questions in regards to this or uncertainty, please feel free to reach out to myself or our tech department. Thank you.